So we have all the 4.0 school staff that have desks around here if you want to take a look. All of the 4.0 staff have desks and use this space to work. And in the middle we have this group of desks where people can pop in and do some work here or take a little break and do a puzzle. We love to do that here. But one of our favorite aspects of this space is also the natural light, but even more so the view. So if you want to come a little closer and see this amazing view of downtown New Orleans, we're located on the 3rd floor of the Taylor Education Center, and we're on the corner of Andrew Higgins and Camp Street, right across from the World War II Museum. I don't know if you can see it, but it's this amazing view where you can see the hustle and bustle of New Orleans. There's always people around, and so it's one of our favorite aspects of this space. It's super cool. So yeah, this is where magic happens in the 4.0 workspace.